Friends, welcome. In this video, we will study how to draw circle in AutoCAD by using center radius command, center diameter command, 2-point command, 3-point command, then tan radius command, then tan command. So students, let's begin. Students, here first we will see how to draw circle by using commands which are shown here, and then we will see how to use shortcut key to draw the circle. Okay, so here now first I am selecting here center radius. Here this command I have selected it. Then we need to specify the first point as I have specified here. Then we need to give the radius. I am giving here radius 50 as you can see. Then press enter. Okay, we have drawn here circle now. Then here next command is center diameter. I am selecting it. Then we need to specify the first point. Then we need to give the diameter of the circle. So I am here giving here diameter as 100 as you can see. Then press enter. Okay, here it is 100 diameter circle. Okay, now here third is 2-point command. I'm selecting it. Then here you need to specify the first point. Then after that you need to specify here second point. You directly click right like that, or else you can here give a distance. I'm selecting again 2-point command here. Okay, now I need to I need to give the I have specified here first point. Then I'm giving here the distance of the second point, that is I'm giving here 100 again, and press enter. As you can see, by using 2-point command I have drawn here this circle but without giving dimension, and this circle by giving dimension 100 mm. Okay, now here I'm selecting now 3-point command. Here in this we need to specify first point. Then we need to specify here second point. Then after that we need to specify here third point like this. Here also we can give the distance. I am selecting now first point, then giving here distance as 100 for second point. Then for the third point I am giving here again distance as 100. Okay, then press enter. Here you can see here this is the circle by using 3-point command. Now students, next we will see here tan radius command. For this we need to draw first two lines to have a tangent point. For this I am here drawing two lines. First is this line, and here this is another line. Okay, now I am selecting here circle. Then here it is tan radius command. Okay, after that we need to specify the first tangent point. I'm specifying, as you can see here, there is a tangent symbol is appearing. I'm selecting here first tangent point. Then here I am selecting the second tangent point. After that we need to specify here radius of the circle. I am here specifying 50. Then I'm here pressing enter. As you can see here, by using tan radius command we have drawn here circle. Next is here tan command. For this we need to again, I am here drawing 3 lines for our reference. Then we will see how to use these lines to draw the circle by using tan command. I am here now selecting tan command. After that we need to specify first tangent point. Then we need to specify second tangent point. After that we need to specify our here third tangent point. Then here you can see we have drawn here circle by using tan command. Now students, we will draw circle in AutoCAD by using shortcut keys. For this you need to press C. For circle you need to press C on your keyboard. After that you need to press enter. After that you can see in the command line there is options, specify the center point of the circle, or here another options. We will go first for specifying the first point. I am here specifying the first point. Then we need to here specify the radius. I am specifying here radius 50. Then press enter. Now second is here, I'm pressing here C again, then pressing here enter, then here specifying the first point, and now I'm pressing here D. Okay, then I'm pressing here enter. Now here, as you can see, we need to specify the diameter. Okay, now I'm here specifying diameter 100, 100, then pressing enter. Okay, this is about radius by center radius by using center radius and center diameter. Okay, now we will see here, I'm pressing again C, that is circle, and then pressing here enter. Then here, as you can see here below and on the command bar, here options 3p, 2p, ttr, that is tan radius. Here when we put here 3p, then and press, we will press, now I'm pressing here enter. Now here 3-point command has been activated, so here I am selecting first point, then second point, then here third point. Okay, now again I'm pressing here C, then pressing here enter, then I am here selecting 2p and pressing enter. Now here I am using 2-point command. Okay, now again I am pressing here C, then pressing here enter. Then as you can see here TTR, tan radius. For this tan radius command to activate, we need to press here T, and then I'm pressing enter. Okay, tan radius command. So I'm here using these two tangent points, this first tangent point, and here this is the second tangent point. After that I'm specifying here radius of the circle. I'm specifying here radius as 1300, 13120, and pressing here enter. As you can see here, I have drawn here circle by using tan radius command. So students, in this video we have studied about how to use circle command in AutoCAD. Thank you students for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.